We believe that energy is something which government is focusing on. Government is putting a lot of efforts, and as a Dubai UAE Food and Beverages Business Group, TED and Al Futtaim Engineering, we have come up with a program where we plan to educate, inform, and also help finding out ways to have efficient energy usage in food and beverage factories. So, I mean, this program is the focus and objective is we believe that creating more leaders will create more leaders. We want to create more leaders, energy warriors through information, through knowledge sharing. So, so we came together to do this particular program, and this everybody knows in a food industry that if we have a efficient food chain, we can have a zero waste, we can have a lot of energy saving, we can have, at the end we save environment, which is one aspect of it. Another aspect is we end up getting smaller savings and which we can pass on to our stakeholders, right? So what we are planning to do is we have experts, we have uh, people, those who understand where energy is consumed most and how we can upgrade the system. We can make design changes, even uh, trainings to the operators and trainings to the managers, because education is something which we need to upgrade, and things are moving so fast in this time, right? The energy consumption we need to reduce. So we believe that we will spread awareness, and we then go on an action plan. And this action plan, after creating an awareness, it's not, we will not stop there. For us it is very important, like I always say, feedback is breakfast for champions. So we want to make the food and beverage industry stakeholders a champion in their own thought process, with champion in with their own practices. And we want to generate best practices by sharing each other knowledge and understanding even minor details in each factory, in each stakeholder thought process, in each stakeholder's daily operational. So what we are planning to do is we will go ahead, have energy audits, we can have existing plant evaluations, and we can talk to individuals which may be a technical expert in your factory, which may be a process expert in a factory. For example, I have done a study where the small change, they were able to save around 6% of energy. And this is like a snap of finger. So what I'm trying to say is, we came together to share our knowledge and experience. And most important part here is, when we have operators, we have engineers, they are knowledgeable, but sometimes they are not aware about what is running in the world, what are the latest technologies, what are the best practices, what other countries are having, how Europe is working on this, how American industry is working on it, how Indian industry is working on it. So we have industry experts which will share knowledge, practices, and we will directly get them benefits by energy saving. And as I said in the beginning, that we believe in feedback. So it will not be a one-way communication. Suppose we get engaged with somebody, we will have discussion, we will have reports, we will set up a guidelines for the industry. We will also encourage leaders to create more leaders, because we don't want to stop. In case I get, or the group get engaged with some company, so we want to create a extension of ourselves. It is not we are specialized on something, we are there to create a warrior, which we call energy warrior, who will stay in your unit, and it will help you, it will stop you if you are not doing right practices to save energy, and without compromising on quality and existing practices which may be beneficial to you. So we will also make sure that all these record keeping is maintained. We will also make sure that these energy warriors which we create, they will create more energy warriors. So the revolution continues. So the communication continues, and we make this industry, this country, a better place to live in. Please remember, we owe this environment to our future generations. So if we save energy today, we make our industry, we make our food and beverage industry a better and money making, profit making industry. And we have some key personnel with us, which are young and talented people. And these young and talented people, they have extremely high level of understanding what they are doing. So we want you to trust us and try to get into this program, help us to make this program successful. As I said, we have very, very talented young professional, and I'm the only antique piece in this program. So I would love that to do this program, and I will make sure with my team that we will be able to do wonders with your cooperation, your feedback, and your existing feedback management. Thank you very much.